Want to unlock the full potential of your mobile audience in Power BI? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create automated layouts so you can buy some time and create amazing visuals for your mobile audience. If you want to learn the skill, stay until the end. So here we have our report, and we can change for the page view to the mobile view. We have two ways to do that. One is here, choose the page or the visual, mobile visual, and down here we have a PC and a cell phone. This will switch between the two types of layout. Here, I'm gonna click it. If I unclick it, it will go back to the traditional version of layout. So let's go to our mobile layout. How the creation of a mobile layout worked in the past. We will go in page visuals and select the visual that we want and drag and drop. And then we will have to resize it and select the best place that you want to put your visual. All 100% manual. Now, Power BI created this auto create mobile layout. When we click it, it will automatically distribute all your visuals in the mobile layout. As you can see, he used all our visuals. Let's take a look here. He used all our visuals in the page. Okay, it's automatically. We don't have to work too much to create. The only problem here is not 100% yet. As you can see, this one here, because the title it's a little bigger, the card it's bigger than this one. So you may need a few adjustments, okay? But will be a good improvement instead of having to drag and drop every visual. A point of consideration that we need to have is, let's go to this other page here, okay? So I have this group here that is hidden. That is the filters, okay? Unfortunately, if we have a hidden visual here and we create a automatic mobile layout, it will consider the hidden visual also, okay? So unfortunately, I didn't find a way to don't make this happen. So if any of you know how to fix that, let me know in the comments below, okay? So you have to evaluate if you really need that hidden visual, or we will have to delete this one. He is not even appearing here. I can't select it. So you will need to select the others and adjust, okay? But it's not 100%, but it's a pretty much faster way than the original one. So I hope that you like it and be helpful for you in your daily basis. And let me know if you have any doubts in the comments. So what do you think of our video today? Let me know all in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I see you guys on our next video.